Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Wright County, east central Meeker County, northeastern Mcleod County, northwestern Carver County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dassel, or 15 miles north of Hutchinson, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by trained spotters. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cokato around 7:40 p.m. Howard Lake around 7:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Montrose, Winstead, Lester Prairie, Watertown, and Mayer. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Carver, Mcleod, Meeker, and Wright. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Benton County, northwestern Sherburne County, east central Stearns County, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:10 p.m., a severe